racing the thunder. Worn out suitcase and an old guitar. Restless mind, I've got a rebel heart, call me a runner. Sometimes I wonder if I'll ever make it back to where I've been. I know my mama always said that if you lean on the ones that you love, you will find your way.
This is your moment to shine, to be proud and be grateful, and to reflect on all you have accomplished here at the Luddy School.
I'm searching for a sign, chasing shadows while I walk that line. I gotta wander in deeper waters, 'cause no, my soul won't rest till it's on its way to somewhere I know I can't explain, but I take that risk. It's the
We congratulate you, 2026 graduating class of the IU Luddy School of Informatics, Computing and Engineering in Indianapolis. Graduates of the Luddy School, today is your day. Congratulations, you did it.